We just received our Snake River Farm meats and we're excited to share our unboxing.
In the Snake River Farm box, we had bacon, also wild Gulf shrimps, as well as boneless pork chops, 2 of them, and pork roast tender. And in a previous box, we also received a gourmet hamburger with Wagyu beef, as well as other Wagyu meats and USDA prime choice steaks.
In the box as well is a cook guide that offers tips and recipes to make the most out of your Snake River Farm meats.
We cooked the bacon from Snake River Farm directly on the stovetop with a fried pan, and we didn't add any fat, and it worked out perfectly.
We had a lot of fun making the pork roast loin. We cooked it in the oven with rosemary and served it with broccoli and sweet potatoes for a delicious dinner. After defrosting the shrimp, we cooked them in a cast iron skillet, very simply with peppers, red peppers, garlic, and seasoned it with salt and pepper, and then later served it with quinoa for a nice, healthy, and delicious meal.
We cooked the boneless pork chops directly in the oven on the pan, and just made it simply with salt and pepper and rosemary.
Just finished cooking Snake River Farm. These are the pork chops, which are absolutely delicious. It is our second time having them, and they are buttery and soft and full of flavor. They are absolutely delicious. So in terms of Snake River Farms, we had a delicious experience with the meats, and I'm curious what you thought.
I thought the quality is really good. I enjoy the meat and seafood with Snake River Farm. I think my favorite, the boneless pork chop. Then I like the seafood. The shrimps were quite excellent. And the bacon come last. Not my favorite, a bit too on the fatty side, but good taste in every cases.
I think for me, in addition to liking the pork chops, and we also had a pork roast, which is also delicious, that I liked a lot. And previously we had Wagyu beef from Snake River Farms that was absolutely delightful. So for the convenience of receiving a box at home with frozen meat that's of top quality, Snake River Farm delivers.